Well, hello there! Today we are making instant mashed potatoes in the microwave. Our supplies are instant mashed potatoes, 1 cup of water, room temperature. Optional toppings are gravy, I love gravy, salt and pepper, and of course, butter. We're also going to need a spoon and of course, a napkin. Let's get started.
Wash your hands.
We're going to take the lid off our instant mashed potatoes, and we're going to add a cup of water. There's a line inside the container to show us where to pour. Here we go, here we go. A little bit more. Okay. Next, we're going to take our spoon and we're going to stir our instant mashed potatoes so there's no lumps. Who likes lumpy potatoes? Who likes lumpy mashed potatoes? I don't. Oh, perfect. All right, next step, we're going to take our instant mashed potatoes, open our microwave, set the microwave for 1 minute. Oh. Again, I wish you had smell-o-vision. These potatoes smell so good. Next, I'm going to take my spoon and I'm going to stir these delicious instant mashed potatoes. All right, so for today, I think my toppings are just going to be salt and pepper. Salt, a little pepper. Now it's time to enjoy.
Throw away your trash. Put salt and pepper back in the pantry. Put butter back in the fridge. Wash your spoon. Let's review. What did Mr. Tim make? A. Mashed potatoes. B. Toast. C. Waffles. The correct answer is mashed potatoes. What appliance did he use? A. Microwave. B. Blender. C. Toaster. The correct answer is microwave. What did he add to the cup? A. Juice. B. Milk. C. Water. The correct answer is water. How long did he cook the potatoes? A. 30 seconds. B. 1 minute. C. 2 minutes. The correct answer is 1 minute.